Antayan mo yung camera, ha?
Doon na pa kumakain. Umuulan.
Umuulan.
Sarap. Good morning from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam!
So, as you can see, nasa loob kami ng room. Because
Umuulan.
umuulan. Today, dapat pupunta kami sa post office, War Museum, yung mga usual tourist spots here, Notre Dame Cathedral, kahit under construction siya. Yun yung dapat pupuntahan namin. But it's raining. And, sorry kung TMI, pero nasira din yung tiyan ko. So, pero may gamot kami. Yun na lang muna yung gagawin namin. Share namin sa inyo ano yung mga gamot na dala namin pagka nagta-travel kami kasi makakatulong din to sa inyo.
Tara na.
Okay, so ito usually yung mga dala namin. Una, of course, maintenance meds. If you have that, kailangan dalhin nyo siya.
So, for example, 5 days kayo. Plus, siguro 2 to 3 days extra maintenance meds kasi hindi nyo alam kung ma-delay ba yung flight nyo, makaka-cancel ba. So, at least may extra kayo.
Yep.
Hindi kayo mamumblema.
Tapos, isa sa dinadala namin lagi. Pero just because I have GERD and siya din minsan inaatake ng acid. So, we have omeprazole. So, in the morning, we take it 30 minutes before kumain. And then, para sa tiyan din, Buscopan o
Hyacinth. Tingnan nyo na lang sa Google kung ano yung generic name.
And then, just in case then atakihin ng GERD, we also have antacid. I use
It's either Gaviscon
or this one is a new one, Gina.
So, lahat to available sa Watson's and Mercury drugstores.
Not sponsored.
Nationwide.
We also have Hydrate in case ma-dehydrate or pag nag-cramps ka dahil kasi minsan hindi masyado nakakainom ng water habang nagta-travel. Although, make sure to hydrate. Pero yun, just in case lang hindi, meron kaming Hydrate. Tapos, of course, allergy medicines. And then,
Pain medicine.
pain relief.
Lalo na mga sa age namin na to, madali nang sumakit yung kaso-kasuan namin sa ulo or kung ano-ano. So, meron kaming pain medicine. So, disclaimer lang. So, dapat recommended or prescribed ng mga doctors nyo to. Kasi kami naman, regular check-up yung ginagawa namin. So, recommended and prescribed to ng mga doctors namin.
And also for asthma, kasi may asthma ako, we have this puff. Tapos, may bago kaming dinala, just in case lang. This one is for
LBM.
basically for allergies, for pain, emergency medicine like Bioflu in case magkalagnat kayo or pangsipon, mga ganong klaseng medicine. You don't need to bring a lot, just bring a few and hope and pray that you don't get to use it. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, kasakit kayo sa travel nyo kung kinailangan nyo siyang gamitin.
Yung last travel namin sa Japan, kasi sobrang init. So, doon talaga sumakit yung ulo ko. So, buti na lang, kompleto kami ng meds. So, naka-uwi naman kami ng okay na ako. So, yun nga lang, nasayang yung 2 days. 2 full days na hindi ako nakasama kay Chubby Eka sa paglilibot sa Fukuoka. But, isa sa mga reason yun kung bakit kami babalik. And dadagdagan pa namin yung itinerary namin sa Fukuoka, Japan.
Nilalagyan namin yung napanalunan sa games sa Cebu Pacific. That's our chub tip for today. And sana tumigil na yung ulan para makalabas na kami.
Yes, I'm excited to try the coconut coffee.
Yes, we're gonna try that today.
Tumila na yung ulan. Try na namin maglakad sa labas.
Hello.
It's so raining. It's still drizzling. So I think we still need our umbrella. So they're offering for us to use the umbrella here, but we have naman. So it's still drizzling and tanghali na kami lumabas today. Kain na lang muna kami ng lunch. We're going to a small cafe. Sinearch lang namin sa internet and it's a 2-minute walk from our hotel. Doon kami papunta right now. This is where we're having lunch. Tiem Dancin, Retro Vibes, Modern Brew. It's a small cafe that's only a 2-minute walk from our hotel. And they have good reviews. And I saw din kasi sa internet na meron sila ng dried noodles, which I've been craving for since day one. And we're also having coconut coffee here. Kamusta naman ang day after your birthday?
Maulan. But we're still excited to go out, explore the city because this is our second to the last full day here in Vietnam. And we'll try the coconut coffee right now. So, ayan ang isa sa mga pinunta namin dito sa Vietnam. It's coconut coffee.
Yes, aside from the egg coffee. And tonight,
Dinner
we
cruise.
booked the dinner cruise. That dinner cruise was booked through Klook.
And you can use our promo code
Chab Explorers
CHABEXPLORERS to get a discount on your booking.
Pag nagta-travel kami, lagi namin ginagamit yung Google Maps. Like, if we want to find something that we're craving for, kunyari, yan nga, coconut coffee or dry noodles, type nyo lang sa Google na coconut coffee near me or egg coffee near me. Ganun. Tapos lalabas yung mga iba-ibang places. And then we read the reviews. We check out kung ano yung mukhang okay. We also check the menu online. And then, tsaka kami pupunta. So, we want to try new things. Of course, we also want yung mga Michelin na ano. Pero, as long as the reviews are good and meron namang sufficient number of na nag-review, then we trust that. And gusto namin din kasi maging adventurous sa mga kinakain namin. So, hopefully okay dito. We just got the coconut coffee. Pangarap ni Tony.
Yes, isa sa mga nililook forward ko talagang tikman dito sa Vietnam is yung coconut coffee. Kasi as a cafe owner, gusto kong idagdag to sa menu namin kung kaya. Tikman na natin. Interesting taste.
Really? What's
Yes, it's
the
mildly
ingredient?
bitter. And then, malalasahan mo yung coconut juice. And medyo weird yung lasa. Pero masarap siya for me. Kasi mas gusto ko yung mas strong na coffee kaysa matamis. So, hindi siya sweet, pero balance yung lasa niya. Kung hindi kayo mahilig sa bitter na kape, baka hindi nyo magustuhan to. Pero ako, I like it. Pachok.
Chabangan! Here's my drink.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one is a smoothie, kumquat, and I think lime. Wala kasi silang English menu here. Here's our dry noodles. Wow, looks nice.
Thank you.
And our beef banh mi. So we're gonna try our beef noodles. Lagyan natin ng
Vinegar and patis.
yeah. Then mix it up. Madami-dami din naman pala yung noodles inside. And I think this is gonna be a refreshing meal. Si Tony hindi nakapag-antay.
Ayan,
Ano
ano?
niya. Try natin yung noodles nila. It's good. Ito yung taste na hinahanap ko. Nakulangan lang ako sa gulay, pero sarap siya. Really good. Kakain lang kami. Nantay ko na lang si Tony matapos kumain. Nag-order kami ng extra noodles. Ang sarap kasi. So this drink is a mix of kumquat, calamansi, and peach. Super good if you like the maasim kind of drink, which I really love. Sobrang refreshing nito. Sobrang sarap. Sana nainom ko siya nung init na init ako. But it's really good. And Tony is enjoying her noodles. Ang sarap yung food nila dito. This is found in District 1. Ito yung menu nila. Actually, walang English. Hindi mahal yung mga food nila. Yung egg coffee nila, parang either itong 25,000 dong or yung 40,000, hindi kami sure. Pero ang mura. Pati yung kinain namin, nag-range lang siya around 45,000 to 65,000 dong.
Taste. Sarap. So, dapat talaga is bitter yung coffee. Kasi yung green niya sa ibabaw, sweet. So, pag hinalo mo siya, magbabalance yung flavor. And hindi siya malansa. Walang lansa at all. And meron siyang chocolate powder.
OMG, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng lunch namin. We ended up ordering 2 bowls of the dry noodles kasi ang sarap niya talaga. And then we had the beef na may banh mi. Tapos we ordered coconut coffee, egg coffee, tapos yung kumquat na drink. The bill is for
320,000 dong only.
ang mura niya and the sarap niya. So feeling ko dito sikat na cafe. Ayan siya. Feeling ko hindi siya sikat eh. Parang dito lang siya. So ngayon, kukuha kami ng Grab. Pupunta kami sa post office.
On the way kami sa post office. Gumala-gala ngayon kasi hindi ganun kainit. Gloomy siya and bristling. Pero hindi kagaya kahapon kasi kahapon talaga nahilo-hilo ako. Sobrang init na naman. Pero ngayon, chill lang yung weather.
So we're here now at the post office.
So this is famous here in Vietnam. So isa to sa mga tourist spots na kailangan nyong bisitahin. So papasok kami. Itatry namin padala ng postcard sa Manila.
Tara, let's go inside.
So may mga souvenir shops din sa gilid-gilid.
Ang ganda dito.
Super.
So there are different shops. May mga tour desk. Ayan. So part din to ng hop-on, hop-off bus tour. Pwede kayo bumaba dito. And they sell here different postcards. Old coins. So it is actually a functional post office. Hindi lang siya basta tourist spot. As in, pwede kayo mag-send dito ng fax, postal remittance, as in every activity, all activities that you can do in a post office. Pwede siya dito. Domestic, international parcels. Yan. Saya, ang ganda lang dito. So, tingnan natin kung magkano yung postcards. This one is 5,000. May 40,000. Iba-iba yung presyo ng postcards. This one is a 20,000 postcard. Iba-iba siya. Bili kami ng postcard. This one.
So ipapadala namin sa Metro Manila.
Papadala namin sa bahay namin.
Yes. So we paid 5,000 dong for this postcard. So send na natin. Yun.
Sulatan muna natin.
Ay, dito pala.
So, punta kami dito para magsulat. Susulatan namin ng aming sarili. So, bubuksan muna natin ang ating postcard. Sino susulatan natin?
Tayo lang, Sub Explorers.
So, Dear Chub Explorers. Tara, tsabay-tsabay tayo. Gumala. Sulatan namin yung sarili namin. Gusto namin ma-experience. Cute to ha. Cute din to na na for every country na pupuntahan nyo, you send a postcard to yourself. Magandang practice. So we're gonna get the stamp. Here. Okay, so we're done with the stamp and the postcard. And we just leave it here. So, we'll see you in the Philippines.
Yay!
Ang saya lang nung experience na pag ano ng stamp, no?
Parang yung huli kong ginawa yun nga, elementary days.
Oo.
Kasi ngayon uso na yung emails.
And text message, video call, kayang-kaya. So, hindi na talaga ito ginagawa. So, this is a good activity. Lalo na kung kids yung kasama nyo pumunta dito, ma-experience nila magpadala ng sulat. Ng liham. So, in front of the post office, you will see the Notre Dame Church, which is another tourist spot here. But right now, it's being renovated. So, hindi kayo makakuha ng maganda-gandang photo with it. And medyo umaambon na din.
Is that durian ice cream ba?
I don't know. So, what's flavor? What's that? What flavor?
Ano daw?
Hindi ko alam eh, pero sige. Yeah, one here. Oh. Gusto ko cone. You have cone? So we got ice cream here.
This is 20,000.
So there, 20,000 dong for the ice cream. Thank you. Let's try the ice cream.
Try the ice
Baliktad yung cone
Hindi
niya.
namin alam kung ng flavor to kasi...
Hindi namin siya maintindihan.
Oo. Oh my God.
Sarap?
Sarap!
Mm.
Yes! Diba?
Baby ice cream, pero ang sarap ah.
20,000 dong.
Ang sarap, teka medyo umaambon na, sisilong muna kami.
kami.
So from post office, pupunta kami sa War Remnants Museum. Kaya naman siya lakarin kasi around 800 kilometers lang, kaya lang umaambon na.
800 meters.
Ay, sorry.
Kilometers. Saan ka pupunta? Apari.
800 meters lang siya. Pero, umaambon na kasi, so baka abutan kami ng malakas na ulan sa paglalakad. Puro puno pa naman yung habong
Saka natin
dito.
sisilungan basta-basta pag malakas ang ulan.
So, puro park kasi yung dadaanan mo. So, ganda sana maglakad. Pero wag na lang. Ano lang naman, 33,000 dong yung grab fare. Yeah.
And mga chabibis, may Jollibee dito. Diba? Malapit sa War Museum. Bidaan saya.
Okay, we're here at the War Remnants Museum. Please queue to pay for admission. Here. So, napila tayo ngayon to pay for tickets. But we don't know yet how much. Thank you. So, it's 80 for two. So, 40,000 dong ang isa. We already got our tickets. Let's go inside the War Remnants Museum. Right, so pagpasok pa lang, meron ka na ditong makikitang tangke at mga helicopter. I'll show you, ayan. Ang cool!
Kasi ayun yung mga ginamit nung time ng Vietnam, Vietnam War. Pinanap ko pa sarili ko.
Ayan. So, pasok tayo to learn more about the war histories of Vietnam. So, medyo madaming tao ngayon. Parang may field trip pa nga eh.
So imagine weekday, Thursday, today's Thursday, marami ng tao, so what more pa ng weekend.
Kuha muna tayo ng water kasi medyo nauho kami.
This is 20,000 dong. Yung tubig sa bendo. So medyo mahal. So, we suggest na magdala na kayo ng water from convenience store kaysa yung vending machine.
Yeah, tsaka mukhang hindi aircon dito.
So, ang init.
So, pasok tayo dun sa exhibit. Omega watch belonging to a French soldier. Wow. Ayan. Mga banknotes.
Ito yung lunch pail.
May wallet pa. What's that?
Lunch pails.
Lunch pails.
Baonan. Nung time of war. From
A lot of photos. Informative naman siya. So, punta na kami sa iba pang mga area. So, it's really mostly photos and then the description of the photos taken. And then here, if you want to know more about it, nandyan yung, so, may number, yung photo, and then you can click the QR code para maintindihan yung mga photo or for more description about the photos. So, Ho Chi Minh was a president. So, yung Saigon was the old name and they changed it to Ho Chi Minh. Kaya makikita na marami pa ring mga places dito na Saigon yung tawag, like Saigon Center or Saigon Tower, because it used to be named Saigon and it was changed to Ho Chi Minh. Now you know. So we're gonna go up. Marami pang exhibit sa taas. Yun lang, wala silang elevator. So you have to take the stairs. So joke lang, may elevator pala doon. So sa baba pwede kayo pumunta doon sa may toilet. Doon banda yung elevator, pero kami hiningal na kami. And dahil hindi naka-aircon, they're giving out free na wipes. Ayan. So you can refresh yourself with the wipes. Right now, papunta kami sa port because we are taking a dinner cruise. Umuulan pa rin. Medyo lumalakas. Pero iniwan namin yung payo.
Kung kailan wala kaming payo. Kasi akala namin okay lang. Kasi umulan na kanina. Yung bala, halos buong araw uulan today.
Balan. Sana may bubong kung saan tayo bababa. So, andito na tayo sa port. And we're just gonna look for our cruise ship. Yes, Bentan Princess. We already have here our club voucher.
This is your table number.
And then, okay. And they gave us the table number. So, they gave us this voucher. May sumalubong na sa amin doon sa may gate. And then, take a white car. Wow. May ito white. Wow! Look at that car! Ang saya. Tingnan mo. Nice. So we are now in the white car, which will take us to our cruise ship. Ang saya. So madaming mga cruise ships dito for dinner. Ayan.
Ito na yun?
Ayan ang Bentan Prince. So this is the Bentan Princess. We're going to your birthday dinner. Let's go!
Yes! Let's go!
Good evening. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. Thank you. So we booked this via Klook. And if you also want to book your dinner cruise via Klook, you can use our promo code to get a discount on your booking. Have here it's a 3-course meal. They also have 5-course meals. This one is the lobster bisque soup. Pareho na lang kami ng in-order ni Tony kasi ito yung mukhang okay for our palate. For our main course, what is it?
It's a pan-seared okini beef strip loin. Diba?
Fancy! Very fancy! Ayan.
So this is mango panahota. Gusto ko matayin. Sobrang sarap niya.
So yung cake at saka yung drinks hindi kasama sa binayaran namin. So it's paid separately. The cake is for 300,000 dong and then the drinks 80,000 dong. Not bad na rin kasi for the experience. Ayan no, we're cruising. Okay, so ito yung itsura ng upper deck. Ayan. Maliit lang din siya. Yun lang umulan kasi kaya nasa baba lang yung mga tao. Pero it's nice rin here. Medyo nahihilo lang ako dun sa motion, sa galaw. Kahit slow lang siya, nakahilo pag nakatayo ka. So, if you have vertigo, motion sickness, pa kailangan nyo mag-ingat. We have a magician there.
Can you give me your hand? Okay. I will put my AirPod on your hand like this, okay? And you put the other hand on top to keep it. Okay, really tight. Now look at me. Don't blink, okay?
Open it. Oh! Oh my god!
There's no AirPod anymore. Shuffle, shuffle.
And you take the phone? Yeah. And show the camera, okay?
Okay.
So now you okay? Your heart is somewhere in the middle, okay?
Very nice.
Okay. Eh, so sobrang nakakaaliw din yung magic show. This cruise is very entertaining. Ang saya niya.
I had so much fun.
Ang saya ng
Ang
cruise.
saya. So that was our river cruise dinner. So may nakilala pa kami mga kabayans natin. So actually sila nag-perform.
Yung banda ay mga kabayans.
Yes. So accent pa lang nila kilalang na Pinoy.
Pwede ka mag-request ng
Yes.
song.
Oo. Pwede rin kayo kumanta. Open mic naman.
Ang galing nila kasi ang dami nilang alam na ibang language na song. So,
Yes.
good job kabayans! We're so proud of you.
Super.
So, walking na kami palabas para magkakuha ng Grab. We're gonna go back to
The
the
hotel. And tomorrow, ang flight namin pabalik ng Manila.
Yep, going home tomorrow.
Sobrang saya.
Di na kami nakapag-outro kagabi, but yesterday was super fun, even if umuulan siya, and nag-start kami na late na kasi bumuhos talaga yung ulan ng malakas ng morning.
Nag-start kami sa Central Post Office. So, ang ginawa namin is nagpadala kami ng postcard sa mga sarili namin. So, gusto ko sana namin ma-experience ulit magpadala ng regular mail. Huling padala ko ng regular mail was nung elementary pa ako. So, sobrang tagal na nun talaga. So, ang saya-saya niya. Magdidikit ka ng stamps dun sa postcard. After Central Post Office, we visited the War Museum. Sandali lang kami kasi ang daming tao and may mga field tripping student. Makikita nyo yung history ng Vietnam War and mga ammunitions and mga baril na ginamit nila during the war. Nasad lang tayo is yung Agent Orange.
Yep, so sa second floor yun. Pero bawal na din kasi mag-film doon ng nagsasalita. So pwede daw silent filming lang. So bawal mag-narrate. And medyo mainit. Although nagbibigay sila ng free na wipes na galing sa cooler. Very good. Libre lang siya.
Ngayon. So after that, we freshen up sa hotel lang.
And then at night, nag-dinner cruise kami na super saya din na experience. So, yun yung birthday dinner ni Tony, which we did the next day na ng birthday niya kasi nga fully packed yung schedule namin nung araw mismo ng birthday niya.
And sobrang sarap nung meals na in-avail namin. Started with the lobster bisque and then the flat steak and yung panna cotta. Sobrang sarap, walang tapon. And then sulit na sulit kasi ang ganda ng view. You'll see Ho Chi Minh City on a river cruise. So, highly recommended tong luxury dinner cruise.
And may entertainment pa ng band, which Pinoy yung mga members ng band.
Yes.
Tapos meron pang magician na pumupunta sa bawat table, which was also super entertaining. Yung tipping dito sa Ho Chi Minh, hindi naman siya mandatory talaga, but it would be highly appreciated. So, nag-tip din kami. Actually, even dun sa nagturo sa amin ng coffee class. If you're happy with the service, give them a tip. I think ano na yung 10% ng ginastos nyo. That's already a good tip. I think universal naman siya. So, mga in-avail namin sa Klook River Dinner Cruise. So, if you also wanna book your dinner cruise or your other activities via Klook, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Club.
to get a discount on your booking.
So don't forget to follow us on our social media account, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And also don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Tananatan!